Are you allowed to elaborate on what happened in 2020? Because you actually were meant to be on The Voice in 2020, but it didn't. Are you allowed to elaborate on that or not?
Sure. Look, it happens every year. Well, it didn't happen this year because they changed the rules, which is kind of cool. But then with the cut, kind of not cool. But what happened was I went through the entire process. I got to the blinds. I was in Sydney.
So this is in 2020. Was it
this is 2020?
Was it? It was 19, was it?
2020.
2020. Did you also sing Fortunate Son in 2020?
What happened? Yeah, it was Fortunate Son. Yes, was going to be my song. And I was there, and it got my performance was basically scheduled for the afternoon session of the last day. And what happened was, basically, to cut the long story short, the teams got full.
And this is to go and perform for the blinds, you're saying?
Yes.
Get ya. I understand.
The teams were full, and then that was it. The teams are full. Done. And they came back and they said, "Oh, we're so sorry, Darren. Please come back next year."
Yeah.
They give everyone that doesn't get the opportunity to get on that stage back with the old rules. I'm not sure how they'll do it next year either. You know, they did things differently this year, as everyone knows. But back then, and it was usually often a case, there's going to be a few left over. But then they will say, they'll honour those people and say, "Look, we're so sorry. You've done all of this work. Please come back next year."
Yeah.
And that's your choice to do that or not. So
I also heard as well too, just for the viewers out there, that the format apparently is going to change again next year as well too. But yeah. I don't know what's happening. I just heard that the producer said it's going to be something that's going to be, again, it's going to be a different twist on what happened this year. So guys, be prepared for something slightly different, but you've got the preparation here from Darren about what happens. So guys, just send your files in because you never know what's going to happen. Send them in, but make sure that you follow up. Don't do what Darren did. Follow up with them if you can.
Absolutely.